It is July 2024 and fortunately the conditions to observe the meteor shower of this month are very good. Additionally, the days around the new moon are perfect for stargazing and especially for the Milky Way chasers. July is a great month to observe the Milky Way. This is the Universe Factory and let's talk about all the major astro events that will take place in July 2024. Before we begin, quickly subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so that you won't miss out with the latest updates and happenings in the world of astronomy. Find us on social media platforms as well, links to which have been mentioned down below in the description. Be sure to check out. This month begins with the conjunction between Moon and red planet Mars. The Moon will pass 4.1 degrees to the north of Mars at 1827 UTC as they will appear to be closer to each other. This conjunction will take place near constellation Aries, unfortunately not visible to the naked eyes. I have mentioned links of some useful and popular space apps in the description. These apps are super easy to use and will be helpful to find space objects easily. This conjunction will again happen on 30th July at 10:38 UTC in constellation Taurus, but will take place during the daylight. Now this time Moon will pass 5 degrees to the north of Jupiter at 8:29 UTC as they will appear to be closer to each other. This conjunction will take place in constellation Taurus. However, both of these celestial bodies will be hidden in the sun's glare, so will not be visible. This conjunction too will again take place on 30th July at 23:54 UTC in constellation Auriga, but will be below the eastern horizon. The moon will be between the earth and the sun, so the bright side of the moon will be facing away from the earth. The days around the new moon are perfect for stargazing. Be with me till the end of the video as I am bringing you some bonus content about stargazing around the new moon day. The third conjunction of the month as Moon will pass 3.1 degrees to the north of Mercury at 1833 UTC and they will appear closer to each other. This conjunction will take place in constellation Cancer above western horizon just after the sunset. The full moon will be on the opposite side of the earth, so the sun will illuminate it completely. The days around the full moon are not ideal for stargazing because of the bright moonlight. However, you may still enjoy if you admire the beauty of full moon. The moon will pass at 0.2 degrees to the north of Saturn at 20:45 UTC and they will appear to be closer to each other. In addition to this, Saturn will go behind the moon on what's called an occultation. The conjunction cum occultation will take place in constellation Aquariids but won't be visible since they will be below the eastern horizon. The delta Aquariids is an average meteor shower that can produce up to 20 meteors per hour at its peak. Running annually from July 12 to August 23, it will peak this year on the night of July 30 and morning of July 31. At this time the moon phase will be 19.6%, so the conditions to enjoy it are very good. Best viewing will be from the dark location after the midnight. Meteors will radiate from the constellation Aquarius but can appear anywhere in the sky. Now as promised, it's time for the bonus content. As we learned earlier, the days around the new moon are ideal for stargazing and the month's new moon will fall on 5th July. If you are Milky Way chaser, pay attention to this. In July, the galactic center of the Milky Way is visible. In the northern hemisphere, the nights are short, but if you take good advantage of them and you are in the south of Europe, for example, you can observe the galactic center completely vertical. And if you are in Brazil, you can play with the elevation of the galactic center and observe it almost anywhere you want. So that's for this video, all about the major astro events that will take place in July 2024. Let me know in the comments section which of these events are you looking forward the most. Like this video and share it with everyone around you. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get notified with the latest updates and happenings in the world of astronomy. Meanwhile, watch these suggested videos as well. I'll be back with yet another super interesting video for you soon. Till then, keep looking up.